Okay, let's continue with the area. Now let's discuss question 2. Convert the following as directed. Now here children, we are going to discuss or think about the area of larger fields, right? Suppose, let's see over here. A 34.2 airs to square meters. Now we all know that 1 air is equal to 100 square meters, right? Again we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit. So we will multiply by the conversion. So here 34.2 airs is equal to 34.2 into 100 square meters. As we all know the decimal rule, 100 has two zeros. So decimal point will move towards right two places. And that's how the answer is 3420 square meters. Now, the problems which I have omitted over here are there for your classwork, right? B and C I have omitted, which is there for your classwork, students. Now let's say D, 3876 hectares to square kilometers. Now what is the conversion? The conversion is 100 hectares is equal to 1 square kilometers. So here we are converting from smaller to bigger unit. So smaller to bigger is always a division. So 3876 hectares is equal to 3876 divided by 100. That is 38.76 square kilometers. Okay, now E 200.7 airs to hectares. Now, what is the relation between acres and hectares? It is 100 acres is equal to 1 hectare. Now, 200.7 acres is equal to, now again smaller to bigger, we will divide by the conversion. And that's how 200.7 divided by 100, which is equal to 2.007 hectares. Next, 87,650 square meters to hectares. Now here again smaller to bigger conversion is there. Students, always remember, bigger to smaller we will multiply by the conversion and smaller to bigger we will divide by the conversion. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. That's how 87,650 square meters is equal to 87,650 divided by 10,000, that is 87.650 hectares. Again, the problems which are omitted over here are there for your classwork. Now let's see question number 3. The easy one that we all know and we all can do. Question 3 is find the area of the following rectangles. The length is given 6.5 centimeters and breadth is 5 centimeters. And the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So it is equal to 6.5, which is length, 6.5 centimeters into 5 centimeter, which is a breadth, and that's how it is equal to 32.5 centimeter square unit. Remember for area. Now next D, again A and C homework. Length of rectangle is 8.4 centimeters and breadth is 1.2 centimeters. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is 8.4 centimeters into 1.2 centimeters is equal to 10.08 centimeters square. Children, here I would like to tell you one thing. If you have a problem with decimals, just remove the decimal point and just multiply regularly. When you get the product, calculate how many decimal places are there in the problem. Suppose in this problem D, there are 2 decimal places overall in the problem, that is 0.4 and 0.2. There are 2 decimal places. So the product should have always the total number of decimal places which the problem has. So here there are 2 decimal places in the problem. So the product also should have 2 decimal places, that is 10.08 centimeters square. Now, next question is find the area of the following squares. The easiest one, square and square root. What is the side of the square for question B over here? 5.2 centimeters. So area of square is side into side, that is 5.2 centimeters into 5.2 centimeters. Remove the decimal point, multiply 52 into 52, and as the problem has total 2 number of decimal places, the product should have 2 decimal places, that is 27.04 centimeter square. Now see, side is 2.1 centimeter. Now again the area is 2.1 centimeters into 2.1 centimeters, that is 4.41 centimeter square. Now I like actually this part, word problem. It is very interesting and you can think about the word problem and solve it. Don't scared about the calculations, we all can do that. Let's see question number 9. Find out the cost of clearing a rectangular piece of land which is 32 meters long and 20 meters wide. The rate of clearing is rupees 2.25 per square meter. Now we all know, children, in farm after harvesting and all, we need to clear the land. So this is nothing but a clearing that land which is a rectangular shape. Now first of all we have to find the area of the rectangle. So after writing the statements, we have to find the area of the rectangle, which is length into breadth. Here length is 32 meters and breadth is 20 meters. So our total area is now 640 meters square. Very important, square unit. Now we have to find the cost, and we all know while solving the perimeter, we have found the formula. So cost is equal to nothing but either perimeter into rate if it is a perimeter, or here it is area, so area into rate. So it is equal to 640 into rupees 2.25 per meter square. Now it was. So it is equal to rupees 1440 for required to clear that rectangular piece of land. Okay, very important. First find the area and then find the cost by multiplying the area with rate. Please remember about the decimal places and the cost. Okay, so let's see question number 11. A dance floor is 35 meter long and 26 meters wide. What is the area and perimeter? How much would it cost to do mosaic flooring? If it costs rupees 23.40 per square meter. Though it is written costs, it is a rate. Okay, so what we have to do over here, we have to find three things: area, perimeter and the cost. Okay, we know the shape, we know the length and the breadth, so it is very easy for us to find perimeter and area and even the cost. Don't worry about it. So statements we will write as per given in the problem. So perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. If you remember the formula, that's how it is equal to 2 into 35 meters plus 26 meters, which is equal to 2 into 61 meters, that is equal to 122 meters. Area of the dance floor, length into breadth because it is rectangle. So 35 meters into 26 meters is equal to 910 meters square. Now what is the cost? Okay, cost flooring we are putting it in the area only. So cost is equal to area into rate. Don't get confused. Though they have asked over here for perimeter and area, they have asked about the cost of flooring. So flooring always to be put in the area. So it is area into rate, that is 910 into rupees 23.40, that is rupees 21.294 required for mosaic flooring. Next, nice. The length of the side of a square playground is 98 meters. Then what is the distance covered by an athlete when he runs 2 rounds around it? Write the answer in kilometers. See, the conversion is there. Now first of all, it is around, so it is related to perimeter. Right? He will be having rounds and it is a square shape. So first we will find the perimeter, that is 4 into the side, that is 98 meters. That is total equal to 392. Right? And how to convert? He will be having two rounds, so 392 into 2, so total distance covered is 784 meters. Now we have to convert into kilometers, and what is the conversion? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. We are converting over here the smaller to bigger unit, so we will divide by the conversion, and that's how the answer is 0.784 kilometers. Next, the length and breadth of a floor of a room are 15 meters and 12 meters respectively. Find the number of square tiles of 60 centimeter square tiles. The floor is rectangular but the tile is square. Okay, so you have to find the number of tiles to pave the room. Now what we should do here, it is very easy. Always remember, number of tiles is equal to area of floor divided by area of a tile. Simple thing, very easy. So first we will find the area of a room, that is 12 meters into 15 meters. We have got the area of a room. Then area of a tile is 3600 centimeters square, and when we divide the area of floor by area of tile, we got 500. So we need 500 tiles to pave the